Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The sub-question 2 is, here we have to find the value of 9.9 whole bracket q. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with 9.9 whole bracket q. Now here the 9.9 can be written as 10 minus 0.1 whole bracket q. So now here we can use a minus b whole cube formula. Now a minus b whole cube can be written as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a square b minus b cube. Now in present case, here 10 represent as a and 0.1 we consider as a b. So by using this formula, the next step will be 10 cube minus 3 into 10 square into 0.1 plus 3 into 10 into 0.1 square and minus 0.1 cube. On simplifying further, now 10 cube gives us 1000 minus 10 square gives us 100 multiply by 0.1 gives us 10 into 3, so that is 30 plus now 3 into 10, so that gives us 30 into 0.1, so that is 30 multiplied by 0.01 and then minus 0.1 cube gives us 0.001. So the next step will be, we write 1000, then we take that positive term, that plus 30 into 0.01 gives us 0.30. Then we consider here the negative term, that is minus 30 and minus 0.001. Now on simplifying further, we get is equal to, now 1000 plus 0.30, that gives us 1000.30, then minus 30 and minus 0.001, so that is minus 30.001. Now these two numbers we have to subtract. So this can be written as 1000.30 minus 30.001. So here in first number we take 0. So on subtracting, 10 minus 1, that is 9, then again 10 minus 1, 9, 3 minus 1, 2, point, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 3, that is 7, 10 minus 1, that is 9, and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So on subtraction, we get 970.299. So in this way we get 9.9 whole bracket cube is equal to 970.299. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.